Okay, this is my video review of the Samsung dishwasher DW80H9930US series, bought from Best Buy. Here's the installation manual. Don't get me wrong, I bought this Samsung as part of a group, and we have the microwave and the electric stove and the compact counter depth refrigerator. And we've had really good luck with all. Looking stainless steel dishwasher. It has controls up top, and it has 3 layers, 3 drawers, and this flex tray. Flex tray has a couple problems with it. First of all, it's made out of plastic and rubber. For those of you who wash a lot of Tupperware and plastic, you know that how these new dishwashers use the rinse cycle to dry, and your plastic still stays wet. Well, this stayed wet and would actually rain water down on the clean dishes, making this flex tray absolutely useless. We end up eventually taking the whole thing out altogether. One of the complaints is that the door opens during the middle of the cycle. It has this standard metallic latch here, but on the control side, you can see this is plastic, and plastic and metal don't make for a secure connection, and I can see how the plastic would wear out over time. Problem with the installation of this dishwasher: if you look at the manual, they tell you to put 1 screw here on this side and 1 screw here on this side. The problem with that is you only have 1 screw, and it leaves this big lever arm, and anybody who's been on a seesaw before knows that when you just have it fastened right in the middle, you have a really unstable situation. The reason why I installed it on the sides is because you can see I have a granite countertop, and you can't drill into the granite countertop, and so you expect to have a bracket like the other models have. They have a bracket that actually has a V-point in the middle, which is a lot more stable than just 1 screw. So epic fail on Samsung's part there. Found the instability by adding my own screws here and down here. And of course, that voided the warranty. Failed at the lower left corner, and it started to leak down in this corner. And of course, the Samsung representative said that I messed up with the frame and it's starting to leak. Well, I tend to disagree with him. If you take a close look at this water stripping, it just comes straight out. You can see there's some glue here that is just not sufficient enough to keep this weather stripping in place. And if you go up here, it's almost impossible to pull out. But down here, it's just falling out. And then the door, I really think that the door is inadequate for this dishwasher. It's extremely flimsy. You see how this is extremely flimsy, and when it's extended, the full weight of the bottom rack just bends this thing out of place. How this is starting to separate here. This is the seal for the dishwasher, and this is where the inside attaches to the outside stainless steel frame. And you can see it's separating here, and I got the same thing on the other side. And you can see how it's just flexible.